What's up guys, Chris George here, and today we're going to be making a Snickers cake. Now, everybody loves Snickers, except people with peanut allergies. Yeah. Pretty simple, we're just going to need a couple of ingredients, and guess what? One of them is not a Snickers. Okay, so there is my Snickers cake. Is it better than a Snickers bar? Well, let's give it a taste. Looks good. That's the perfect combination. Now guys, if you like this episode, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share the video. And also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of this recipe and what you'd like to see next. Anyway, thanks for watching.